Are you struggling to get landing page signups? You pay so much money on ads, you get as much traffic as possible, but still you get no signups. You're like, what the hell am I doing? You're questioning your existence. But don't worry, in this video, I'm laying out 5 ways to improve landing page signups and free you of your misery. But by the way, my name is Kobe. Welcome to Built by Emails, a channel where we spread the awareness of email marketing, show you how the ROI in email marketing is still impressive and will forever be impressive, and how email marketing is the best thing to get into in 2026 because things can change in social media with the snap of a finger. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Built by Emails, build the army, and let's grow together. But enough dabbling and yapping, let's get to the actual video. Let me guess, landing pages with crazy traffic but still no signups. This thing is costing you more than you think because you're wasting money on paid ads. Paid ads is no joke. To those that think, oh, money is whatever, it's paid ads. Listen, inflation is real. Food is getting expensive. Gas money is getting flipping expensive. There's no time to just throw money on paid ads hoping, oh, I'm hoping that I'm gonna get something back. You gotta be at least sure that, like, okay, I'm not, in fact, not even sure. You gotta be non-delusional and tell yourself and be true to yourself whether these ads that I'm paying are actually paying off. You know what I mean? Another thing that's harming you even more is that you're wasting time getting a lot of traffic and you're not getting back. Getting traffic on social media is hard these days. For me, in my experiences, the algorithm can change now and then, and the way I used to post content back then is not the same now, and it's just how to get the same amount of traction. And like back in the day, I used to there was a point in my time where I had crazy traction on social media, crazy views, and just from 1 week of not posting, those views are gone, meaning that I won't have the same amount of leads again, because the more views, the more eyeballs, potential leads, wanting to know about whatever you're offering. And if that's not there, what are you gonna do? Another one is causing mental frustration, because you're just wondering, is it the traffic, is it the leads? But most of the case has to do with your landing page, the approach, how it is, the layout, the bio, the heading. A lot of things play a part on that, and some people are just very delusional to accept that, okay, maybe I might be wrong, and maybe I might not be the person that knows everything or the business that knows everything. But in this video, I'm gonna be laying out the 5 ways to improve your landing pages, to set them up for better conversions. So yeah, I've just been talking a lot. Let's actually get to the actual video. Yeah. Number 1, confusing landing page design, because there's too much info, there's too much information, there's so much information. Landing pages should be minimalistic, simple, easy on the eye, and not a whole history essay. To those who have been in a history class, you guys know how long history essays are. They are no joke. So don't treat a landing page like a whole history essay. Treat it like a minimalistic place where it's easy to read, still effective, and still speaks to the audience and really shows them what they're gonna get from the exchange of their email. Another point is there's no unclear message. People just yap. Guys, like, some of you guys really need to see how you're delivering your message to the people and letting them understand already what your landing page has to offer. Some guys just go left and right. Okay, I have this program that's dropping in 3 years. We are dropping this thing of our businesses, and just making it so much about the business instead of so much about how am I going to improve your life as a customer, potential, let's say, visitor. Yeah, let's take up a scenario to understand this overall situation better. Imagine going to a coffee shop where the menu has so many items with tiny fonts and no clear bestsellers or section where it shows, okay, this is the best selling coffee thing, and you just leave and find an easy on the eye menu. Just imagine you're on the line, you want to get a Starbucks coffee, and the menu full of 100 coffee items, or 100 coffee packages. I don't know what the word is, but 100 options to buy off. with small tiny fonts. You don't even know where to look. It's too much on the eye. People have short attention spans. You gotta make it quick and easy and not trying to throw a whole museum of fonts or whatever, showing them all the type of fonts from the I don't know, 18 BC Egyptians times or whatever. Number two, not highlighting benefits. Listen. People want to know what is in for them. Okay, they want to know. Oh yeah, okay. I'm in this page. What is it for me? It's not all about you as a business. It's all about what is it for me, the visitor. You know what I mean? So you gotta look at it at that standpoint. Another thing is because you don't make it about you, make it about the customer. Okay, don't make it about my business is, this is an example, my business is A Weber, we are dropping this new latest project in 2026, we did this. Not later about this is us, how can we solve your problem, how can you make your life way more easier with our overall brand. You know what I mean? Simple like that. Don't try to make it like a whole storyline, like a Batman whole storyline about, oh yeah, I'm Bruce Wayne, my dad got by the Joker. Just keep it simple. And yeah. Number three, weak or missing call to actions. If the CTA ain't compelling, visitors won't feel motivated to take action. And saying submit or click is literally not enough in today's age. You really gotta give them a reason for them to actually take action, to overall sign up and give them their email. You know what I mean? Just using proper phrases like for example, if it's maybe losing weight, the CTA button could be like, oh, start losing it, burn the belly fat now, instead of saying click here. It just creates more emotion. You know, when you just add the submit button, it's like, oh, burn your belly fat today or now. You know, like giving this outcome in a button, it just creates this emotion of, okay, wow, let me get started, instead of, oh, okay, you want to lose weight, click here. It's like it has to have some form of emotion. Lack of trust. Let me tell you something. A big factor of landing pages is trust. Trust plays a huge role on landing page conversions. Like if you don't have no reviews, you don't have no testimonials, no guarantees, like, okay, you're gonna guarantee this if you sign this, or no privacy info, people will not even bother to sign up because I'm not gonna lie to you. Social proof is a very a helpful thing to boost conversions and trust, because people, they're scared to get scammed. People are scared to get scammed. Being scammed is very traumatizing, and no one wants to get scammed ever again. So you gotta make sure you find some credibility of you, some type of proof that you are something, or that you've helped something before. To get deep into that, I'm gonna have to make another video because I have to do research on how can you really get, if you're starting off a business, how can you really get to that level where you have already testimonials even though you just started. So yeah, just showing proof that you're not a scammer. Number five, slow landing pages and poor mobile optimizations, because loading slow loading page. No, come on, loading. I'm tripping out. Slow loading landing pages are so bad for people visitor retention, because people have short attention spans. As I told you guys, people want things quick, fast, and easy. Same as me, I don't like a slow platform. So my recommendation is to make sure you find a tool which is not broken down, have an automation tool which is very effective, has good reputation. You know, my advice is GetResponse. If you guys want to try GetResponse, try putting the free trial, link in the description, and just to have a better overall experience. You know what I mean? Because there are tools which are very bad. I'm not gonna main them. I have experience. I've been doing marketing for a while now, and I've did tools. I've joined, I don't know what the word to say, tools or automations. Let's just say tools. If you guys don't know what tools mean, I mean like tools like ConvertKit, Musend, etc. So yeah, I literally chose to pick the lowest pricing tool because I was broke. I just needed a tool to at least create a landing page, and I had the worst experience. It was slow as hell. Nothing worked on there. So you have to make sure you get right on the tool. As I said, GetResponse, link in the description for the day free trial. You can experience it for yourself. And yeah, that is number 5. That's actually it for the video. And yeah, final tips to solve this overall crisis of lack of landing page signups. Simplify your design with one clear goal and easy navigation. Number 2, use strong, benefit driven call to actions like get your free guide now or join 10,000 others, which gives them more. It has to be true though, but it gives them more clarity that wow, I'm not alone. I'm not feeling like I'm being scammed. The other people that are actually going with it, because people are like human beings are like herds. Whatever people are going with, they'll go with too. You know what I mean? I lost track of the number, but focus on benefit, not just features. What does this benefit them? Not about, oh, I have this feature. Sometimes people don't even know what features are, or like what drag and drop is. They just tell them, hey, this thing can help you if you're struggling with, I don't know, what color is a drag and drop. Um, Struggling with creating a, I don't know, better page. Just giving them benefits than speaking about features. And optimize your page speed to make sure it looks great, and also mobile optimization, because people make a mistake of having a landing page beautiful on the desktop view, but when it comes to mobile optimization it looks so bad. It's so squashed up together. You gotta make sure you get right. So the overall conclusion is that your landing page has to be simple and easy, know people's pain points, understand who you're dealing with, and provide a lead magnet which really speaks to what they're going through and can them solve that pain point, not fully, but like a small little win to get them closer to the final result. But that's lead magnet, and lead magnet is a whole different story, a whole different video. My topic of this video is just improving your landing pages, meaning like not having too much tags, being getting straight to the point, not being all about you, using social proof. And yeah, you guys make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me guys what you think about this video. If you found this video bad, I don't know what you can tell you. This is the best thing I can give you guys. I don't know what type of information you want from, I don't know, the galaxies of Marvel. I don't know. This is just what I can tell you guys. Make sure you get this video to at least 5 likes. No, just get more in detail with this overall world of landing page, because I feel like if I can really get people telling me that yo, I need help to create landing pages which are effective, that'll give me more motivation to actually get deeper into stuff. You know what I mean? Get deeper into stuff and help you guys improve. Right now it's just a more of a warming up, I don't know, video stuff like that. But enough yapping guys. Peace out.
Bye. Have a great time.